Today in the Smuggler's Room, we are...
Hey there, Slim.
Huh?
Yeah, I'm speaking to you.
Can I help you?
Yeah, you could finish off what you started here.
Finish?
I mean, you weren't planning on leaving me like this, were you?
Kinda.
Huh. Well, that sucks.
Yeah. So... that's coming up. What's up, you awesome geeks? I'm Brian, and welcome to the Smuggler's Room. This week, this chubby geek is taking our custom Star Wars character build from last week and mounting it on a geeked out cantina-style arcade sign. That's right, my friends, we are going to have an arcade cabinet in the Smuggler's Room project right next to Han Solo and Carbonite. And we thought, what better way to advertise the arcade corner by having its own arcade sign with a custom Star Wars character mounted on the wall. We wanted to create a three-dimensional sign that had a retro meets Star Wars feel to it. Lighting and a variety of LEDs would be key. We also wanted to have the character's ship represented somehow. I didn't quite have the time to make it circle the sign just yet, but maybe in time. Now it's time to fire up the X-Carve and cut out some specifically designed pieces. Now, a neon sign would have been great for this project, but I haven't started making those yet. So, LEDs are the way we're gonna go, and we're gonna light up behind all of the letters, and we're gonna program those LEDs as well as all the other lighting with an Arduino Uno. Now, for our character's ship, I'm taking a page right out of the Empire Toy Works. And if you haven't seen what that man does to toys, you need to get over to his Facebook page or his Instagram account right now. Wait, no, not right now. Not as in now, but like later now after you watch this. When will then be now? Soon. Okay, let's get back to what I was saying. So what he did was add additional detail to his toys, and that's what we're doing by doing a little kit bashing. We're gonna paint it, we're gonna weather it, and we're planning on doing a ridiculous toy mod here on this channel really soon. And in that episode, we'll dive much deeper into geekdom for you. But this will do for this project. For a paint color, we chose the Rust-Oleum Primer. This particular version of primer has a great rust brown color that seemed appropriate for our grumpy old rusty character, who still needs a name, by the way. So far we've called him Qatar Arcadia. But if you have a better suggestion, we're all ears. Once everything was properly weathered and perfectly space dirty, we took to assembling two major components, the arcade sign, and of course our arcade owner and custom Star Wars character. Now, I was asked when we built our Han Solo and Carbonite Alexa project where I got the orange acrylic. Actually, what we did was we purchased plexiglass like we're doing for this build, and we sprayed one side with a rattle can of orange spray paint. And then once it was dry, we just glued it in place. The mounting of the toy was straightforward. We just drilled a hole in the bottom with a drill bit and then widened it with a step bit. And then we installed an aluminum rod to elevate it above the arcade sign. We also wanted to put a Smuggler's Room logo on this, because I put Smuggler's Room logos on everything. So we took a piece of PVC, we sanded it down at a slight angle, and then we had a disc that we painted and applied the sticker directly to the top of that. Electronics for this project are key. They help sell that arcade sign look, I think. And we did a whole variety of things. We installed LEDs behind the letters and animated them. We put blue LEDs in the cockpit of the toy ship, colored LED strips behind the orange plexiglass, and even a couple of LEDs in the character's flight chest box. I'm pretty sure if I had more time, we would have added more, but this works for now. I hope this project has inspired you to go out and try to build your own custom Star Wars character. Though we're going to use this one as an arcade sign, as you can see, you could take this a lot further and make an entire costume that you could wear to Comic-Cons or any other kind of events. I also want to give a shout out to a subscriber from this channel who recommended that I use the little nameplate that goes across the visor of the character. And I'm so sorry, I can't find your name, so please drop it in the comments below so we can give you the credit you deserve for a great idea. So as you can see, our grumpy old character and his sign are ready to be put up on the wall and ready for prime time. Except we don't have that part of the wall built, or that section of the room built. We don't even have it designed yet. So I guess we'll have to design it and build it, and then he's ready for prime time. But that'll have to wait for another episode when we build something out of nothing. Now, a neon sign would have been great for this project, but I haven't started making those yet. So for now, LEDs are going to be the way to go.
Yeah, buddy. It'd be nice to have some arms, legs, and maybe some other things.